The moon was formed by a massive collision. One of the most fascinating aspects of the moon's origin is its dramatic creation story. Scientists believe the moon was formed around 4.5 billion years ago when a Mars-sized object named Theia collided with Earth. This cataclysmic event ejected a massive amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. Evidence of this giant impact hypothesis lies in the moon's composition. Lunar rocks collected during the Apollo missions show a remarkable similarity to Earth's mantle, suggesting that both celestial bodies share a common origin. This finding has helped scientists piece together the violent history of our early solar system. The moon's formation played a pivotal role in Earth's evolution. The massive collision tilted Earth's axis, creating the seasons we experience today. Additionally, the moon's gravitational pull helped stabilize Earth's rotation, preventing chaotic wobbling that could have drastically altered our planet's climate. While we now have a clear idea of how the moon came to be, there are still ongoing studies aimed at understanding the finer details of its formation. Space missions and advanced simulations continue to shed light on the early years of Earth and the moon's shared history. The moon's birth story isn't just about its formation. It's a testament to the dynamic and often violent processes that shape the cosmos. Understanding this dramatic event helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of celestial bodies within our solar system.